The UISCOM 88-key digital piano set is an excellent choice for beginners, providing all the essentials needed to start playing music immediately. With its rich variety of 128 instrument tones, 128 rhythms, and 80 demo songs, this digital piano offers a wide range of creative possibilities for exploring different musical styles. The piano's portability is enhanced by its dual power options, allowing you to use it with a power adapter or with 4 AA batteries for playing anywhere without the need for wall outlets. Its ability to connect with MIDI music devices and Bluetooth functionality provides seamless interaction with computers and smart devices, making it ideal for music arrangement and practice. The semi-weighted keys and standard touch sensitivity of the UISCOM digital piano offer a realistic playing experience that closely mimics an acoustic piano, which is perfect for beginners improving their skills. This digital piano set includes a stand, sustain pedal, keyboard stickers, carrying case, and headphones, making it a comprehensive package that supports new musicians in their learning journey.